Hi guys! In this video I will show you how to crochet a chain. To begin, we'll put a slip knot. You'll drape the tail over your index finger and just wrap it around. Pinch the loop and then go through that loop and pull through your tail. And tighten it by pulling up on the string. Attached to the ball, and you've got your slip knot. Just like that, and to make the chain. And take your crochet hook and just insert it through the loop. If you pull in the loose end here, you can gently tighten it around your hook. You don't want to pull too tight. You want to make sure you can slide it back and forth on your hook. You're going to wrap the yarn around the hook and pull it through the loop and pull it off. That wrap yarn around hook, pull it through the loop and pull it off. And we keep doing it. As you get the hang of it, you can go a bit faster. And adjust your fingers and pinch closer to the top of the chain. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope this has helped you all. And thank you guys for watching. See you all next time.